Welcome to genNEXT at Home, Background Swap. I'm Teresa, 24G Fuel graphic designer. One skill every designer should know is how to remove the background from a photo. I practice my technique on projects like 24G's Halloween costume contest and Veterans Day social media posts. I've also used a similar approach to 24G's t-shirt designs. Today we're going to show you why you can't believe every picture you see, as we learn how to swap out backgrounds to transform your photos. For this activity, you'll need a device like a smartphone or computer, one or more digital photos. I'm using one of my dog Luna, and a background removal app. Since Adobe is the creative industry standard, we'll be using the Adobe Express app. Their basic plan offers tons of free templates and editing capabilities, a great tool to start with. After you've downloaded the app and created an Adobe ID for your Adobe Express account, if you're under 13, remember, you'll need an account through your school or have a parent or guardian create an account for you. Then, sign in and navigate to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Under Quick Actions, you'll find the Remove Background tool. Add your image and poof! Adobe Express automatically removes the background for you. Next, choose Customize and select the size you want your finished photo to be. Once you're happy, click Done. On this page, you'll find tons of options that allow you to customize the layout, create animations, choose color palettes, and add text shapes and other design assets. Time to pick out a background. You can either use your own photo or choose one of the many free Adobe stock images. I think I'll put Luna relaxing on the beach. To add the photo as your new background, simply choose the Pin to Background option. Finally, adjust the position and scale of both images until you're happy with the design. I'm using the enhanced tools to make my dog look more realistic and in line with the scene on the beach. Have fun exploring and push the boundaries of your imagination. I ended up adding a monkey and a boat to my scene. Here's the final result. Check out our newly launched Pinterest page for more project details and show off your background swaps using the 24genNEXT hashtag anywhere for a chance to be featured. Now go forth, be creative, and have fun.